What I like is when we put technologies in place and it is not confusing about how to get something started or how to turn something on or how to turn something off. The technologies are just fused into the purpose of the space. Today we're in our new 3-story building, which is our Blank Shepherd Innovation Center. And on the 3rd floor is our new nursing program. We have created a space, an entire floor, with multiple simulation labs to go through all the curriculum in the nursing program. It's just state of the art. We've got one large teaching classroom. It's our flex space. It can be arranged in almost any direction. It's kind of a faceless space. It's outstanding for teaching. Nursing programs have large equipment, and we made sure that teaching classroom could really adapt and change in terms of orientation and needs with technology. We have a debriefing space, which is like a seminar room. We can get large amounts of students around that table, or again, administration or our faculty and staff, and really go through, again, learning opportunities on video. We have an amazing simulation small lab. That lab has about 7 nursing bays. Truly looks like you're walking into a hospital. We have simulation patients that look as real as you could ever imagine. There's technology in every single one of those patients. You would simulate everything from meals to the hoses in the air and all of the other medical technology on the wall. We have a home care facility, which is a small room which would just really simulate what caring for someone at their home, with their kitchen, with their stove. It looks exactly like that. We have our simulation suite, which once again brings a combination of rooms where we have observational equipment and again nursing bays, just single nursing bays, to where it would isolate the student working on their skills to be observed closer. One of those is a prenatal and a NIC unit. Our simulation patients come in all shapes and sizes, so that is an exact, realistic, experience for our students as they would see in the real world. It's just amazing what a nursing and our medical, the medical programs out there teaching students of the future to really give you a realistic learning experience and an education. What I like is when we put technologies in place and the technology goes away. The individual faculty members or the students as recipients to the teaching and learning spaces, they go in and they just see what's capable. And it is not confusing about how to get something started or how to turn something on or how to turn something off, but the technologies are just fused into the purpose of the space. And so that's what I see here. That was one of our biggest goals in our nursing program. It's got to do key things that meet curriculum goals and objectives, and again, accreditation standards. And I think in this facility, in this project, working with Ford AV, it was a great project to get to those goals.